Hi, I'm Ghionis. I'm here at my studio in Las Vegas, and today we're going to show you the versatility of the Scrim Jim Cine. A great option to use as a softbox is the Scrim Jim Cine 4x6 option. Now, of course, we can use octaboxes, we can use softboxes, all those different things, but the Scrim Jim is so versatile. Quite simply, if you bring your light source closer to it, you get a smaller light source. If you bring your light further away from it, you get a bigger light source. You can use it in the sun, with the sun. You can use it to reflect off. Today, we're going to use it with a beautiful beauty look. One strobe right behind it, giving us soft, flawless beauty lighting. A little bit warmer with the face, a bit more welcoming. So not so much a smile, think of the end of the smile. So sometimes what I do if I want that, I'm like for myself, I'll just even smile, stupid laugh, click, before you lock into that look. So basically like a nice, warm, welcoming look. Very, you know what I mean? So not too fierce, not too sophisticated or anything like that, just exactly. The end of that beautiful giggle that we know you can do. Turn this way, chin up. Stunning, that's better, beautiful. Gorgeous, chin up, and eyes up where they were before. Stunning, just there. We went for a classic beauty look, one strobe with a Scrim Jim Cine 4x6 to diffuse the light and to spread out that beautiful light source. Now we're getting some great results. We went for a dark background, but I wanted a little bit of fill underneath the chin and underneath the eyes. So we introduced a 4x6 white Scrim Jim, and we got some beautiful results. We gave us that little bit of kick of that light that we actually were hoping for. Just lean forward towards me again. This is sort of chin down, eyes up. So when your chin is down and eyes up, the eyes appear even larger because then the white envelops the eye, the pupil. So you actually even get more, if that makes any sense. So the chin down, just there, beautiful, really beautiful. One of the most versatile pieces of equipment that you can have is a Scrim Jim. You can diffuse light through it. You can diffuse strobe light, speed light, sunlight. You can reflect off it. It is so versatile, so affordable, and it packs into a very small compact bag. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe below. See you soon.